Once upon a time, in a vast desert, there lived a small dung beetle named Dibs. Dibs was known far and wide for his remarkable ability to navigate through the vast, endless sand dunes, using the stars as his guide. One evening, as the sky was painted with twinkling stars, Dibs embarked on his usual journey. However, a thick cloud cover rolled in, blotting out the stars that normally guided him. Dibs was confused and lost. He had never encountered such a predicament before. He felt a sense of fear and uncertainty grip his tiny, hard shell. In his despair, Dibs stumbled upon a wise old tortoise named Terra. Terra, who had lived in the desert for many years, noticed the troubled dung beetle. "Dear Dibs," Terra said, "do not despair. Even though the stars are hidden, remember, they are still there, guiding you. You simply need to look within yourself." Dibs was puzzled. "How can I look within myself when I can't see the stars?" he asked, his voice filled with doubt. Terra smiled. "The stars are not just outside, Dibs. They are within you too. They are the wisdom and knowledge you have gained from your journeys. Trust in yourself, and you will find your way." Inspired by Terra's words, Dibs retraced his steps, remembering the paths he had taken before. He navigated through the sand dunes, his faith in himself growing stronger with each step. Finally, the cloud cover began to lift, revealing the stars once again. Dibs, now confident, continued his journey, using the stars as a confirmation of the wisdom within him. From that day forward, Dibs never forgot the lesson he learned from Terra. He realized that the stars were not just in the sky, but also within him, guiding him on his journey through life. And so, the moral of this story is, look within yourself, for the wisdom and guidance you seek may be found in your own heart. Trust in yourself, and you will find your way.